So when you're talking
Ashutosh
about
Mishra ji, sir, how do you see this?
There's one big difference in the crying wolf that you are trying to spread and Rohingyas. They are victims of ethnic cleansing. They are refugees, and UNHCR also recognizes them. So if you are giving them education and that education right is for ages 6 to 14, I don't think it's something which is as terrifying as you are trying to make it. India is unable to provide jobs to its own citizens. Forget foreigners getting the right to jobs. So that's just you crying wolf. And you have to realize that here, even today in India, we have refugee camps where many of these Rohingyas are put. And there have been enough reports, which may or may not be true, that they are denied even healthcare, and the husbands and wife and children are put separately, which goes against human rights convention. You have to take it as a human right.
Right, we should put them in. Mishra, have we forgotten what a senior Congress leader had said during the campaign in Jharkhand? 450 rupees दीजिए, सिलेंडर लीजिए. तो ये स्कूल तक नहीं रुकेगा सर. स्कूल, जॉब्स, किचन, सेट अप अ हाउस फॉर देम.
देखिए रुकना जो चीज चाहिए, that is the tirade against Muslims launched by ethnic dividers. I mean, I can see them, hear them on TV, sitting in this on this panel, and doing this very shamelessly. It's a matter of shame for India that today we have this Hindu versus Muslim thing.
It is not. You are grossly mistaken. This is about legals and illegals. No. Get it right, Mr. Mishra. And if you have to really blame the constitution makers who did not have enough sympathy, who were not large-hearted enough, like Lokesh Jindal and Ashutosh Mishra, to include 2 pages for illegals.
Who can? How can they be so duplicitous? Number one. Number two, what you are talking about is again legal and illegal. You keep talking about it. You have to also remember that there are many in the BJP who talk about Akhand Bharat. And if you remember, we have cultural similarity with Burma. Burma was part of India. Let's not forget that. So if you talk about Akhand Bharat, all these people who dream about Akhand Bharat,
Mishra ji, sir, 1 minute.
Also.
Ashutosh Mishra ji, sir, 1 minute. Then if you want to talk about cultural, similarities, फिर पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश में भी ढूंढ लीजिए. खोल देते हैं सर बॉर्डर. वहां से सीएए के जो लोग आ रहे हैं उनमें आपको सिमिलैरिटी नजर नहीं आ रही है. जो इलीगल्स हैं उसमें कल्चरल सिमिलैरिटी एंड व्हाट नॉट.
Talking about refugees. We are not talking about opening the borders. That's what I'm saying. Stop
crying
wolf.
No, but refugees have to be legal refugees. You can't just cross the border. Mr. Mishra, you're not answering a question. If someone crosses the border illegally, why should we give them benefits? Why?
If a person who has come here as a victim, as a refugee, who wants you to protect them from what has happened to them in their country, what's the harm in providing them the basic amenities? And this is not, you are not going to give them free. Government schools are not free.
Yeah, it's not free. 450 rupees for a gas cylinder. It's not free. They will pay the fee. They will get all the documents, become citizens. Who's saying this will be free?
How will they become citizens? You are not going to give them Aadhaar cards. What has triggered this PIL? It's because there is a circular issued by Delhi government, Aam Aadmi Party, which in trying to outdo
I am
BJP,
talking about the mindset. This is not just Delhi specific.
The mindset of an as you earlier I said, they are refugees, they are victims. You only give them
Doctor